Hello and welcome to VHA's GSF or Guided Sales Flow Walkthrough training. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and review our VHA systems training. That walks you through when to use the legacy portal, when to use GSF portal, what SIM cards to use. So if you haven't viewed that one yet, please go ahead and review that training. The purpose of this training is to walk you through how to do a port in activation using the guided sales flow. So let's take a look at what this looks like. Okay, so when you log into your GSF, you are going to see this screen. Now, since we're going to do a port in, we were going to want to click on this button that shows guided sales flow with Boost Elevate. So we'll click on that. This is going to be a new customer. They're porting in, so this is a new customer to us. So we'll go ahead and click on new customer. Confirm that you are at least 13 years of age. I'm definitely at least 13 years old, so we'll go ahead and continue. So the first thing that's going to pop up is this screen, and you're going to want to enter in the store zip code. So we'll enter in that zip code, and we want to check availability. Now for this one, since this is a port in customer, we're going to select the port in button. And we're going to go ahead and put in the existing phone number for the customer. And we want to check eligibility to make sure that this number is eligible to be ported in. Now, when I click that, I see in green down here, it says eligible for port in. Excellent. So now the customer has already selected their device. So we're going to go ahead and scan in that device IMEI or type it in, depending on what you have at the store. And you're going to go ahead and search for it. And is this device a BYOD? Yes, in this case, this is a BYOD. So we're going to click OK. Great news, the device is compatible with the network. Excellent. The nice thing about this is this does give you along the way if there's any issues with the transaction, so you will know ahead of time. There's no way that you're going to get to the end of the transaction and all of a sudden there's an issue. This is going to let you know along the line what they're eligible for and not eligible for. So after you've confirmed that this is a BYOD device, you're going to go ahead and scan in the SIM and the SIM card number and the SIM UPC. We're going to go ahead and click continue. Great. So we're able to see this is a port in. It's eligible. We've got a BYOD device. There's no charge for that. And then you're going to see that, hey, the only thing that we're charging so far is the activation fee. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to select a plan. So we'll click select plan. We'll click on this menu right here, and we're going to select the $50 a month unlimited plan for the customer. Okay, so now you can see the total is changing along the side. We've got the activation payment, the $50 monthly payment, as well as the activation fee. And you can see then that monthly here along the side, they will be owing $50 a month for their plan. So let's go ahead. If you're going to add some accessories, you're going to click add accessories. And then you're going to scan in any accessories that you have that the customer is getting. If they're getting cases, screen protectors, speakers, headphones, extra chargers, battery packs, whatever else they need, this is where you're going to scan it into at this point. Then once you're done scanning, you're going to go ahead and proceed to the summary. And so you've got their BYOD devices, you've got their phone number, you've got their data plan here, their activation fee. So you're going to be able to see, hey, what's due today is $75 and what will be due monthly is $50. Then you're going to click this orange button to proceed to the activation process. Now here you're going to enter in the customer's information, their first name, their last name, their email, and you're going to see with them, hey, what PIN do they want to use? What 4-digit PIN? And you'll go ahead and enter that in twice. And then click to proceed to address. Now here's where you'll fill out the information for the customer's address. If for some reason they do not want to give that to you, then you're going to leave this blank and you're going to click proceed to subscribers. Now you're going to get a warning that says there's an address violation here because we don't have that information, and that is okay. You're just going to click proceed without address. And then what you're going to do here is we need some more information from the new customer. So we're going to select whatever carrier they currently have. Say they have Verizon. And this is where you're going to enter in their customer account number and the PIN that they received from Verizon. Now, this also down here, in case you forget, this does give you some port-in hints. So this will give you where to find the PIN, where to find the account number, how to get all of that information. So that's going to give you some information here, and that's based on the carrier. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click Add to Cart. Scroll down here, excuse me. Sorry, you're going to enter in the zip code first for the port-in address, and then you're going to click Add to Cart. So we have all of this information here. We've got the phone activation, their BYOD SIM, the device setup charge, their monthly payment, and they also got a case. So we have their total here, and you are going to click Make Payment. So today is due $60.99. Gonna give us cash for that. They give us exact change. And look, they're processing the activation. Great. So we have everything here, no changes due. We'll complete transaction. Right. Then we're going to go ahead and click on this shopping bag. We're going to see here, because we've activated the phone, we've gotten everything set up. Now we need to take their monthly payment. So we're going to click here on the most recent transaction. We see all of this information here, and we are going to click Refresh Status up here at the top. We can see, okay, the phone's been activated. Now let's go ahead and submit it to ePay. We've got their phone number in here. We've got their information here, and we are going to scroll down and click here to complete transaction. So we have all of the information here. Everything is accurate. Then we're going to click Complete Transaction. Great, the payment was processed successfully in the ePay portal. Excellent. So now we can see here that the phone is activated and their monthly payment is paid. So we'll click Print Receipt, and the receipt will print out for the customer. And there you go. If you have another number to click in, then you would go ahead back to the shopping cart, click into the screen, and click Guided Sales Flow Process and start it all over again. So we hope this was helpful. We hope this shows you how to bring a port-in customer over to Boost using guided sales flow, or the GSF process. If you have any issues during the activation process, always reach out to Boost customer care for any activation issues. And if you have any questions about this process, go ahead, reach out to your manager, reach out to your owner, and don't hesitate to also reach out to your VHA account manager or your Boost account executive to help you with any questions you have on the process. So we hope this was helpful, and don't forget to check out our other videos. Thank you.